I'm Trevor Thomas.
And I'm Brandon Lynum. Welcome to our home.
The Rose Estate on the Detroit Golf Club. The Rose was built in 1927 by architect John Casecas for Harry Barnett Sr. But his most famous resident was Miss Aretha Franklin, who owned the home from 1993 until her passing. And when we first visited the home, it needed a lot of love.
Yes, and after extensive restoration, we can't wait to show you what's inside.
What we love so much every time we come home is really enjoying the Great Hall and its 28-foot soaring ceilings.
This room features limestone-encased windows that are 3 stories tall, and also a chandelier picked up by one of the former residents, Miss Franklin.
Another part and feature that we love about the home is the knights hand-carved into the fireplace. This room is almost entirely original. From here, you're really in the center of the house, and I think the architect enjoyed the idea that you could go directly to the terrace through the loggia. One of the first things we did right here in the backyard was restore the original limestone terrace. It's almost 100 foot long and it's provided extraordinary views of the 7th hole right here on the Detroit Golf Club.
Another part of this project was restoring the loggia to its original intent to have it open to the backyard and to the golf course. And from the rear of the house, you can appreciate the Tudor architecture, the slate roof, and the copper gutters, which are all original to the house.
Here in the dining room, we chose to do our own touch by adding a 1920s mural of Belle Isle, Michigan. These are the original windows, steel casement, and install the Italian and Spanish marble to be able to ensure that it's in keeping with the time period. We love hosting and we love antique china too, so here you can see the Palace Collection by Picard, and we believe it's in keeping with the spirit of the home.
And the chandelier is a nod to the English style that was originally featured in the house.
One of the things you spot right away in the drawing room is it's surrounded in the original crown moldings with rosettes, but they also put them in the moldings of the fireplace.
Another hidden detail of this room is that the original family crest is hidden in the fireplace. In this room, we also have several pieces of artwork. Notably, we have a portrait by Linda Solomon of Aretha dressed as the Queen, as she preferred to be known.
Other art in this space includes Miss Franklin at Cobo Hall with Dr. King, and Miss Franklin performed at the inauguration of Barack Obama, and we're thrilled to be able to have him represented in the space as well.
Welcome to the primary suite. One of the key features of this room is the Juliet window that looks out onto the Great Hall.
This nook really serves as an amazing space to read, to overlook the golf course. It's a place that's special to us, and we can really just enjoy some quiet time.
This room was the location of Miss Franklin's famous rose red tub. We painted the walls red in homage to that, and now we're going to take a step into the bathroom where the tub has been relocated.
The clawfoot rose red bath and the restoration of it, Brandon really deserves a lot of the credit because he was able to work with Kohler to be able to color match the exact specifications of the 1995 order. So what you're looking at is as it was originally intended and designed. We love preserving Detroit history, and you can do it too if you're naive enough.
Thanks for coming on this journey with us in our home in Detroit.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.